Good morning! Ako'y nagbabalik sa inyong paningin. Ito na naman ang inyong feeling vlogger. It's a brand new day, guys. Magandang umaga. How's your day? My day is good. Pumunta kami ngayon sa dockside kasi bibili lang kami ng kape ng Starbucks. O, then mabalik din naman kami agad. Ayan na si Cameron. Nag-iantay na sa akin. Yan. Let's go?
Yep, just gonna get my jacket.
Yep. Nagising kasi kami ng grabe yung araw, tirik na tirik yung araw. Maaga pa naman guys, like 9. Yeah. Yan. And then, nakabihis kami, umulan. O, diba ganito yung sa Inglaterra. Yung weather. O, umulan. Kalimutan kong sarado yung pintuan. Vlog ko more. And then, kukunin kasi rin namin yung yung tawag nito.
I just stuck. Producer Chris is through the glass in the live lounge, smiling but also rolling his eyes so far that they've almost gone into his skull. Yeah, that's
Nalubong
not
na,
a
miss.
promise. My promise isn't
Try
I
again.
will get you onto Eurovision. My promise is I will see what the process is and speak to Scott Mills about it. Jesse Oakham says, excuse me, empty promises. They're not empty, they're
Stuck.
I'm just hopeful.
Check lang ni Cameron yung gulong niya. Baka na-flat kasi. Tapos na kami doon sa namin, nalubong ba? Ano tawag doon? Nabaon yung gulong niya. Chinek niya lang doon sa labas. Flat? Is it flat? No. Maybe just really muddy there. Because you haven't moved your car for like days now and it's been raining.
Hopefully no one saw.
Huh?
Hopefully no one saw.
So?
Oh, I'm gonna be changing your hair. You're just stuck in his fucking car.
What? What did you say, my love? So, after 55 years, nakuha ko na yung ID ko. Right, my love? Yeah, and we're now on the way to Dockside. Just like 3 minutes drive away from here. Just like from our house to Asda. Same car. Yeah. Di pa ako nakaligo, guys.
Okay, have car.
Brush lang ako nagilamos.
What if I didn't have car?
Kakaligo ko lang din kagabi. What? Sorry?
What if I didn't have car and we lived there?
Wow, you better get a car, my love. Dito na kami. Almost there. Bukas na pala yung sinihan dito. So, baka manood kami ng camera ng sine. Bukas na yung sinihan dito. Alright, my love? Is it the sinihan na open now?
Yeah, cinema's open.
Love though, I need jacket. It's cold though. Lagi talagang nakakunot yung yung yeah. Lagi talagang nakakunot. My love, my head is always like, scrunching. What is that? Is that right term? Scrunching. Even when I talk, it's always scrunching. It's just like I can't.
Gonna get lines here like Gordon Ramsay.
It's like I couldn't express myself, or I couldn't get I couldn't express a word, or I couldn't, you know, make a word when my head is basta hindi ako makasapagsalita kapag hindi talaga walang facial expression yung ano, yung mukha ko. And sakit kasi sa mata. Sensitive yung mata. So, dito na po kami, guys, sa loob ng, what is this called, my love? Yeah, may maraming Pinay dyan sa likod, oh. Nangya akong, parang nag-ano sila. Pinay Day. Pinay Day. Parang 5 of group ata sila. Tapos, ano sila, pasyal sila. Siguro, Pinay Day nga. Ang cute ng mga flowers dito, guys. Oh. Tapos may mga tinda pa silang I like this, my love, oh. Dami nilang halaman, oh. Binibenta nila dito. This is what I want, oh. £3.50. I don't know what this is. Or di kaya ito, my love, oh. Tingnan yung mga laman. Oh, diba? What is this? Lavender. Lavender to, my love?
Yeah. It's an outside plant though.
Tingnan yung baboy, guys. Ang laki.
250. What about this lion?
Lion. Mas malaki pa sa akin. How much is that, my love?
1,200 for 2.
I don't know ba. Look at the
What?
379.
The 9.
Yeah, the knives.
They're good knives as well.
Yeah. Punta na kami, guys, ng Starbucks, and then uwi din kami kaagad. Bibili lang kami ng kape. Hindi pa kami kasi kumain, eh. Guys, dito na kami, guys. Humakbo kami kasi nga umulan. Tarithe. Ano tawag doon sa Tagalog? Alam yung nag-ambon. Oo, umambon siya. Kaya, dali kami ni Cameron. Naninigas na yung kamay ko kasi nga malamig yung hinawakan ko. And then, I got, caramel brownie. May something. And then, kay Cameron, same thing na binili namin ng nakaraan. Mine is good, my love.
Yeah, yours is better than mine. Where's your pass?
It's my phone.
Yours is more good than mine. Just go do it.
Guys, tingnan nyo, guys. So, dyan yung lumabog yung ni Cameron, oh. Yung kanyang sasakyan, oh. And then doon, oh, yung mga putik. Buti hindi umano sa aming bintana. We're home!
Miss what?
No! That's yours! Swap ka pa sa akin, na. I'm gonna ready breakfast now.
You better take that with you.
Ngayong hapon pala, grabe. Look at the outside, my love. Look outside. Look at the rain. It's really dark. Grabe, parang puwit ng No, on the other side. It looks like the bump of the pan.
Maybe it's gonna thunder.
Huh?
Maybe it's gonna be storm.
Maybe. Kain po tayo, guys. Ito po yung ulam ko. Itlog. lang. And with kimchi. Lagyan ko siya ng kimchi. Good. Kimchi, this kimchi is really good. Kapon, kumain kami. Nagustuhan din, kumakain na rin si Camry ng ano. He likes kimchi as well.
Yeah, but not with this.
Kakatapos lang namin manood ng ano, Hell's Kitchen by Gordon Ramsay. Akit ko sa taas. Ang lamig. Sabi ko yung Camry, pandarin na niya yung heater kasi nga para matuyo na yung aming ibang mga damit na nilabhan niya kahapon. Ang dilim. Oo, naglaba kasi siya kahapon ng mga uniform niya doon para sa trabaho niya. Tsaka yung ibang damit niya. Siya yung naglaba ng sa kanya. Sabi ko, huwag mo nang isama yung sa akin. Unahin mo na yung sayo para matuyo agad ba. And, kasi ako kahit di naman na, dito lang naman ako sa bahay. Lilinisan ko tong kwarto namin. So, lilinisin ko nga yung guys, itong kwarto namin kasi super dumi na siya, te. And then, ngayon pala dadating na, sabi ko ba sa inyo kanina, pero ngayon dadating yung ref na in-order namin nung Sabado. Oo, kasi hindi na talaga yung ref namin, guys. Hindi na talaga mapakinabangan ba. Kaya kukunin na, i-deliver siya mamaya mga 3 or 7. Hanggang 3 yung delivery, 3 to 7 daw. Pero depende kung anong oras dadating. Oo. Kahapon, umandar na naman yung ref namin. Sabi ko, naku, wala na yung pag-asa. Baka aandar at papatayan kagaya ng TV namin, di ba, dati umaandar pumapatay. Parang may sinto-sinto ba. Oo, syempre, hindi ka magtitiwala doon kasi, di ba, may mga meat yung pagkain mo. Okay na yung TV. Kasi, di ba, hindi naman talaga yan. Yung ref, kailangan talaga magdesisyon na talaga. Kasi, kung sira talaga, kailangan bumili. Kasi kung antayin pa namin masira, talaga nung totally, paano naman yung minsan namamatay siya. Oo, depende sa niya. Sa trip niya. Oo, kaya ayun, pagdesisyonan na lang talaga namin na bumili na lang talaga kami ng ref. Okay na rin yun. Para at least, di ba? Kasi yung ref ni Cameron is 10 years naman na daw yun. Galing pa yan sa lola niya. Ibinigay ng lola niya nung nagstay siya sa camp. Kaya, okay na rin. Tsaka, worth it naman yan for sure. Kasi, hindi naman yan basta-basta na bumili lang. Yung once ba? Once naman siya. Kaya, okay lang din na gumastos. Oo. Another gastos nga lang ulit, diba? Kaya, okay lang yan. Sana next month wala lang masira. Oo. Diba? So, mamaya, yung lumang ref, dadalhin nila. So, nagbayad kami ng delivery fee. Kasi nga, for delivery lang naman, walang pick up. Kung may pick up, hindi namin mapipick up kasi maliit lang yung sasakyan ng camera. Hindi magkakasya yung rep doon. So, nagbayad kami for delivery fee and for, pick up ng sila na yung magpipick up. Sila magdadala na ng fridge namin na luma. Sayang yung fridge na yan. Kung sa Pilipinas lang yun, pwede, pa yan, mapapakinabangan pa yan. Ipapaayos lang yung yung freezer. Freezer lang naman yung sira yung ref na sa taas. Okay naman siya. Yung freezer lang talaga. Yun yung problema ko. Kaya, wala. No choice. Kaya, dadalhin nila. Nagbayad pa kami. Sabi ko, ba't tayo magbabayad ng syempre, mapapakinabangan din nila yun. Baka ibenta nila or recycle shop nila, diba? Ganito pala yan. Sabi ko ganun. Kahit pala, mag-aano ka din pala. Magbabayad ka pa rin para dalhin nila yung lumang ref. Ganun. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, kung sa Pilipinas lang yan ako, may electric siya na pupunta dito. Tapos technician ba yun? Or electric technician na pupunta dito para ayusin yan. Hindi masasayang yung ref. Pero din naman na siya. Luma na rin naman na kasi siya. So, deserve naman na palitan na siguro. inaantay-antay lang namin para maya-maya. Diba? Hi guys, kakagising ko lang. Ang haba na pala ng tulog ko. Like, umakit ako dito sa taas ng mga 1. And then, sabi ni Cameron, dito na daw yung fridge. Sinungaling ka. Hindi ko nga naman narinig eh. Sabi kong gano'n. Go na. Wait, I couldn't.
I'm gonna show it to them.
I couldn't breathe now!
Okay, I'll show you now. Next to it looks good in the camera.
I can't breathe now, my love. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Hi, guys. Alam nyo ba? Parang hihimatayin ako kanina. Parang hindi ako makahinga ba? Kasi nga, siguro dahil bigla akong nagbangon and then bumaba. Kaya, alam mo yun, parang nahilaw ako. Tapos, parang hindi na ako makahinga. Tapos, si Cameron, parang hindi pa naniniwala sa akin. Pinaprank ko daw siya. Sabi ko, mahimatay na lang ako doon. Mahimatay na lang pala ako kanina. Hindi ka pa maniniwala. Kaya sumigaw ako na, get me a water now. Because you don't even believe me that I am I am not pranking you. What do you think, my love? It's not always a prank.
I don't trust you anymore.
You don't trust me anymore. So if I'm gonna die, you're not even gonna believe me that I'm already died, and then you're just gonna react late because you think I'm pranking you. And then tinago niya yung camera, guys.
It's like the boy who
You
climbed wolf.
You even hide the camera, just, I can't prank you, but in reality, I'm not pranking you. Oh, grabe talaga, parang alam mo yun, pag, ganun pa rin yung feeling, pag parang mahihimatay, parang, umaano yung legs nyo, parang nanghihina, tapos yung mga dito ko, bilang nanghina, tapos, ayun, si Cameron, tingnan mo na yung ref, ako pa ipaprank mo.
Fridge is taking ages.
Kanina, excited naman to wait for it. Dance now.
No.
Please.
I can't do it.
Wala, sige na. Sige na, I won't even put it in the please na. Please. I won't even put it in the vlog, obviously, my love. Sige na. My love. Wala pa yung fridge namin, guys. Ang tagal dumating. Oras na 5 na. Pero ang liwanag pa, diba? Kakatapos lang umulan ng malakas. Ngayon, mainit na naman siya. Ganun dito, guys. Tapos lang namin kumain, guys. And naghihimagas ako nito, ng bonbons. Bonbons. From ate. And akit tayo sa taas kasi andun si Cameron sa taas. Nagpa-plancha siya ng uniform niya. Siya yung nagpa-plancha ng uniform niya kasi hindi ako marunong mag-plancha. Opo, may kahinaan din po ako sa gawaing bahay. Kailangan kasi yung uniform ni Cameron is sobrang talaga. Planchadong talaga kasi inaano yan sa kanila. Inaano ba? Chine-check. My love, right? They do inspection on your uniform, no?
Yeah.
Like what inspection?
Just make you stand there and they're gonna check you.
Like if there's like
If it's ironed, if your boots are clean, polished, if you have a shave,
why it's like there's something like that, my love?
if your hair is too long.
Is there a water in there?
Yeah, steam.
It's just like you need to put water in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's already water in it for the last time.
How much water? Oh, did you put water in there?
Yeah, last time it's still has some.
So I told them, you're the one doing that because you know how to do it.
Yeah, I've done it every day for 5 years.
He done it for every day for 5 years daw, guys. Kaya alam na niya yan. Tsaka, I'm not good in, kasi, in ironing. I'm scared maybe I'm gonna burn his uniform. At least when he's the one gonna do it, he won't blame anyone or me. So, dito na po yung aming fridge. Malapit na siya. Ando na siya sa gate. Yan, ngayon nag-edit ako. Update lang. Si Cameron, abangers na siya. So, ayan na yung delivery, guys. Ayan na po sa labas. Diyan na sila. So, here's our fridge now. It's taller than Cameron. Show it on Jamal. Listen. Let me see on me, my love. Let me see. Can you show it on?
Yeah, much bigger than you.
Really small. So, this is our new fridge now. It's quite nice, right? So, itong niya is reversible naman siya. So, pwede namin siyang, mas maganda kasi kapag dito o kasi kapag dito sa kabila. Parang niya, kailangan mo pang gaganyan. You know, so, ito pa yung loob ng niya. Malaki siya, mahaba siya na malaki. Ay, mahaba siya na payat, pero marami ka talagang space na malalagay. Yan. Sakit sa tenga. Are you happy?
Yeah. It's massive. That's what I want.
What?
This is what I want, more space.
Yeah, more space, small food.
Yeah.
So we have fridge now, but we don't have food because the food that we want, that we supposed to buy, is we bought a fridge. Wala. So ito yung loob. Yan, ganyan. Ayan. So, namin to. Papalipat namin to dito sa kabila. Pag pumunta yung sila mama niya dito. Kasi gagawin niya ni Bobby. And then, ito yung freezer namin. Malaki-laki siya.
So that's how you change the doors, right?
What I like about this fridge is meron siyang water dispenser. Yeah. Kasi we're both lazy to put water in the bottle. Especially Cameron. So, yan yung maganda dyan. Kaya pinili ko din to. Yon! So, everything is look black aside from our kettle that has gold one. Ayan. Kadalasan naman gamit namin. Tsaka yan. Kadalasan naman gamit namin black and silver. Black. Ayan, diba? So, let's go now to upstairs. Ihilang ako and then mag-edit ulit tayo. Tapusin ko lang yung edit ko. So, tuloy ang edit. Tapos na ang tapos na ang selebrasyon. Tapos na ang palabas. Oo. Na-deliver na rin sa wakas yung ref. Wala na kaming po-problemahin. Diyos ko, naway wala na namang masisira next month, no? Lahat na lang nasisira. TV, TV. Well, for sure, okay naman na lahat. Everything is, now, settled for sure. Bagong TV, bagong fridge. Tingnan na natin. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari next. Kakaakit ko lang, naligo. Naghilamos ako and toothbrush, and then ngayon maliligo na. Matutulog na ako ba? Oo, kasi si Carmen yun, natulog na siya. Ayan, idim lang ng tubig. So, ayun na nga guys. I-end ko na to yung vlog na to guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in our next video. Goodbye, good night, and I love you all. God bless us.